A short time ago, in a galaxy closely
Is it closely?
Yeah, it's closely, but just keep the eagle voice.
I'm sorry for party rocking. I've been sipping on that whiskey all day.
Just read it.
Two men emerged out of the muck. 2007 4/1/1/1 April Fool's Day. It marked the birth of a new sound, party rock. And what we do is